Hello friends, this is Sai Fadindra from SQL School, and we are into trainings, placements, resume support, job support, and Microsoft certification support services over 12 years. Yes, our service lines are completely sequelized. We are completely into SQL Server and related technologies, and we assure you the complete practical and real world training services from our school. We are very much committed and serious with the service levels. And speaking with speaking about myself, over 12 years of technical expertise into SQL Server development, administration, and BI business intelligence development and technical consulting. Since my first job at Microsoft as an FTE full-time employee back in the 2005, we have been into the service, and we don't want to say like we are perfect or something like that, but yes, we came to know a lot in terms of technical aspects and technical beauty of SQL Server, and in terms of delivery. I mean, what concept to be taken in which way so that the participant can get it straight. Yes, paired with our real world examples and real world databases throughout our course, we can ensure that you get what you actually expect from this course. Pretty sure about it. And this particular session is about performance tuning with SQL Server queries. So the target audience would be SQL developers, SQL database administrators, or BI, MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence developers and data analysts or business analysts. So anyone we have some knowledge who has some knowledge on SQL Server can take up this course and enjoy the technicality in the automated and manual tuning operations of SQL Server queries and SQL Server database operations. So the agenda for this course, the course includes complete practical environment of 6 hours, 6 sessions, and with an online lab. And the course includes the live server and live database access, including mock interviews, FAQs for every concept, resume points from tuning perspective for both freshers to experienced profiles, and Microsoft certification guidance. Yes, this course includes the query tuning and database tuning operations that we extracted from different Microsoft certification curriculums, including 70, 761, 762, and 763, paired with my experience over the past 12 years and the recommendations from white papers published at Microsoft and its partner sites. Now, let's come on to the actual highlights of our course. Yes, basic to advanced query tuning concepts and detailed performance tuning operations. And the course includes concept-wise FAQs and solutions. The concept of FAQs along with solutions to be available for every participant during the course. Next, The course includes detailed usage of performance tuning tools, and the course includes complete practical and real-time implementations or real-time methodologies for tuning activities with SQL Server databases. Coming to the course prerequisites. The prerequisites, yes, the participant should be having knowledge on SQL Server architecture, database architecture, query design and understanding skill set, and basic understanding of indexes along with overview of overview of functions and procedures in TSQL. Yes, keeping in mind developers, administrators, report developers, and data analysts, including ETL developers and data warehouse designers. The course is carefully chalked and carefully planned, carved in such a way. Yes, you should be enjoying and able to follow each and every example from the course. And the course includes the query statistics and query analysis, common table expressions. The course includes memory optimized tables or in-memory tables, partitions and partition views. It includes column and index statistics, detailed indexing operation and index architectures, spooling with TempDB and other pages, TempDB database and the other database pages, index management, fragmentation control and temporal tables. The course includes full text search, full text indexes and catalogs, database tuning, advisor DTA tool and profiler tools, Perfmon tools, performance monitor, and live execution plans, the different types, and when to use which plan, along with the final performance tuning checklist. Yes, one such performance tuning checklist, one such performance tuning checklist is something like this. Just to get some idea of what we'll be discussing and the workflow operations. Right from auditing or identifying long running queries to performance baselines, complete detailed technical checklist activities with degree of parallelism and resource management is a part of this course. And the course also includes the complete implementation right from query audits to joins, and the course includes common table expressions, CTEs, the practice with the partitions concept, full text search, full text indexes and statistics, index management operations, maintenance plans, memory optimized tables with CPU threads and the recommended thread count. The course includes DTA, database tuning advisor tools and memory logs, performance tuning operations, the tuning tools and uses, spooling operations, and the course also includes the final tuning plan, the complete tuning, step-by-step tuning operations, when to use which one and the recommendations, checklist activities. The checklist would be really helpful. Number one, implementation in your ongoing project. Number two, for your job interviews or project interviews, a quick checklist. Understanding the complete implementation in a step-by-step manner with the concepts and tools paired with execution plans and the spooling with 14 types of pages in SQL Server. Everything included in this course. Next, The course also includes real-time issues and solutions with memory issues, log space issues, TempDB issues, and FAQs. Performance tuning FAQs with total of total of 3 different levels, and every level contains questions, minimum of 35 questions in each level, completely into performance tuning. And these interview questions would be surely helping you, number one, for your certification, number two, for your interviews, and number three, for implementation. It's all about know-hows, how to know, know how to get into the concept. So 3 different levels of technical FAQs along with the answers, for each and every question. And next, back to our curriculum. The curriculum is actually divided into 5 different pages, or say 5 different parts, or 5 different levels. First level will be understanding 10 items, right from auditing the long running queries to using DMVs, dynamic management objects, that include dynamic management views, dynamic management functions, and the query statistics, plan cache, join options, CTEs, and how to avoid CTEs, or how to use CTEs to avoid self joins, how to use CTEs to avoid self subqueries, and what about table partitioning and why it is not recommended in real world, and what are the options, what are the alternatives. Then what about partition views, how they can be easily integrated, made live your database with partition views implementation, or existing live databases, how to incorporate partition views onto your existing live databases. Statistics, what are statistics and how to use them. And second level, 10 more items: statistics, updating of the statistics, column level, index level statistics, and how to automate the process of statistics. Next, the course also includes how to ensure correct indexes, how to detect missing indexes and ensure the correct index execution plans, how to avoid fragmentation issues and control the fragmentation if it exists or if it is found, and how to automate index management operations. The third level includes 10 more items: full text architecture, full text index architecture and indexer program, the architecture of FD host exe files or the executable files, how to create and populate full text indexes, linking unique indexes with full text indexes, how to tune tables with binary large object data. This full text indexes would be of very helpful to understand the concept of execution plans, live execution, estimated and actual execution plans, including the query statistics versus execution statistics operations. And fourth level of this course includes 10 more items: maintenance plans, reorganizing and rebuilding of indexes, and avoiding avoiding the possible rebuilds and reorganizing, how to use plan for inline query tuning operations, how to tune tables, database, and how to make use of tuning templates from SQL profiler tool. Yes, there are some predefined tuning templates in SQL Server that can be accessible through profiler tool. So we shall be understanding how to make use of those tuning templates, how to work with DTA, database tuning advisor tool, Perfmon tool, the performance monitor tool, and the last level includes IO, memory, tempdb, and log space bottleneck issues, including monitoring and solutions. Attendees with administration background, they would be given additional sessions for RCA root cause analysis exclusively for input output networking monitoring tempdb and log space issues, creating performance baselines, boosting SQL server priority, performance insights and dashboards, and complete plan for the query tuning operations in SQL server, including the checklist activities, implementation of checklist, the implementation plan. With this information, yes, again, we assure you the complete practical and real world training, step by step, from basic to advanced. And these 50 points are common, very, very common interview questions, and we provide you detailed information with examples. That would be your core takeaways from the course. The core takeaways from the course. And the course material, yes, chapter wise material, right from auditing chapter to checklists, FAQs, case studies, and the study material, practice labs. We have 24/7 online lab accessible for 6 months from start registration date of the course. And we have self assessments, tuning checklists, performance baselines, and tuning tools are included from basic to advanced in this course. And coming to the system requirements, yes, your computer can be Windows or Linux, Mac, Ubuntu, Azure, or Docker, any platform. It can be any platform, and you would be installing, will guide you, and you would be installing either SSMS tool, SQL Server Management Studio, or SQL Ops, SQL Operation Studio. Of course, SSMS would be working on Windows. For other operating systems, you can make use of SQL Ops and connect to a 24/7 live server accessible for 6 months. And in a 24/7 live server, you'd be given access to one particular database, a ERP database that contains good number of tables. This would be the database for our practice, and it includes tables with lesser rows. For example, a table called material QR, a real world database with material management and fabrications, a old Flipkart database. And we bought this database from an organization online called Gartner, Gartner. Gartner. They are into research. They also sell databases that they get from different companies from archival mode. The archive databases we can buy from Gartner, Gartner, Gartner Inc. company, Gartner.com website. And the course includes tables from 65,000 rows, row count of 5 MB, smaller table, to a medium size, like for example, one of the tables that contains a medium size data about some 1,84,000 rows, 35 MB, and up to a different table called, for example, I'll just put this way, a history table. Yes, we'll be using this one of this table very frequently in our course, that contains a good number of 59,46,000 rows, and some of them are blob data, binary large object data, compressed, and the data space after compression includes 273 MB, and the sample queries just on my screen. Friends, one thing, we will not be involved in writing the queries, but we would be involved in fine tuning the existing queries, query level, and we'll be understanding how to work with stored procedures, big and small stored procedures, how to work with them. I mean, fine tuning the existing procedures. We'll be understanding how to work with queries to tables, to database, and to server. I repeat, we'll be understanding query tuning operations. Queries include the select queries to stored procedures. Then we understand how to fine tune tables, then databases. Then we'll be understanding big and small examples, understanding how to tune tables, how to tune databases, and how to tune the complete server, including the resource governor and processor architecture, processor operations, boosting SQL server priority, thread operations, IO affinity, etc. Good amount of stuff waiting for us there. Now, I am using here 2017 SQL Server 14.0 version, but the same components or concepts work on 2016, 2014, and 2012, except few add-ons that were included in 2016 and few more in 2017 as far as the performance tuning concepts is concerned. The performance tuning concepts in 2016 and 2017 are at a bit higher level compared to the older 2012 and 2014 version. So we'll be taking the complete comparison charts, version wise comparison charts we would be understanding in our course. And why you choose us? Yes, again and again, I would like to restate, I would like to assure you to win your references after your course. Yes, I wanted to win references from you after your course. So I'll do my duty, as simple as that. And I'm pretty sure this course would be really helping you a lot in your day-to-day work, day-to-day activities, along with your resume and interview preparation, including certification guidance. 100 plus interview questions, real-time case study with solutions, real-time methodologies, performance baselines, and advanced theory material for your wrap-ups. An advanced theory material that gives us nice insight into what coming next and what we can expect from that particular session. So this way we ensure you are all set and comfortable throughout the course. And how to register? You can reach us anytime. We operate 24/7. You can call back to our Indian number or to our US number if in case you are from USA or Canada, or you can mail us, or you can just visit our website to check for the updated course curriculum any point of time. We have been in this service for more than 11 years, almost 12 years. And we are into active live online training, instructor led. Almost every 20 days new batch starts. In-house classroom training. Almost every 15 to 20 days will be starting a new batch, and we are located in Hyderabad, India. Two locations. We serve at two locations to our customers. First at SR Nagar and other one at Madhapur. Two locations in Hyderabad. Or you can opt for live online training. It's very much interactive. and live and really friendly environment. And you can also opt for on-demand video training. The videos would be accessible 24/7 and video-wise material, notes, and mock interview questions to be provided via email. And not only this SQLs of performance tuning, we do offer other courses. Personally, I deliver interesting, encouraging classes on SQL Server TSQL, SQL DBA, MSBA, Power BI, and Azure. We have other trainers for PowerShell and a set of trainers for Python, a set of 3 trainers for Python, machine learning, Hadoop, R. Of course, machine learning includes Python and R, and Oracle courses, PLSQL, Oracle DBA, RAC, and Golden Gate. And we operate 24/7, round the clock, 365 days at your reach. Once again, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and I assure you complete practical and real world training operations from our school. With this, we'll wait for your registrations to the course and have a nice time. Thank you very much for watching this short demo session video. Thank you very much once again.